I've been exploring the California Lottery official app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. California Lottery app is an app aimed at players who want an easy way to check tickets, track jackpots, and manage second chance entries from their phone. Its main strengths are convenience and automation. You can scan tickets to see if you've won, get winning numbers and jackpot updates, and enter non-winning scratchers and eligible draw tickets into second chance drawings without typing long codes. In everyday use, this means less guessing about results, fewer trips to a retailer just to check tickets, and a simpler way to keep up with big jackpots and new games. However, it's not without flaws. Some reviewers praise the app as fast, user-friendly, and a big improvement over older manual entry processes, while others report frustrations with account access, password resets, and identity verification steps that feel intrusive or confusing. A few users also mention interface and login issues that can make second chance participation harder than expected. Overall, the app is a solid choice if you value official results, quick ticket scanning, and direct access to second chance promotions in one place. If you are wary about sharing personal documents or get easily frustrated by account and login problems, you may want to be prepared for occasional verification hurdles or use it mainly for checking numbers and jackpots. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.